Welcome students in your mathematics class, and we are going through this chapter matrices, and we already completed up to this portion, that is matrix multiplication. And today we will not discuss about a new topic. We will talk about some problems from the operation of matrices. So all these four operations, we will solve some problems with the help of these four operations. So let's try to solve. This is exercise 3.2 problems. I have taken from exercise 3.2 from your NCERT book, and the question numbers and all the descriptions are given in the description box. So here is your first problem. You need to find the X matrix if Y is given in a matrix form, that is 2 cross 2 matrix, and the equation is given 2x plus y. This is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, you need to find the value of x. So x will be a matrix, since y is a matrix, and after adding we are getting another matrix. So x is also a matrix, so we need to find this value of this matrix, and definitely x is also this 2 cross 2 matrix. So as we are solving equation, we are applying the operation on equation, addition, subtraction, multiplication. The same process we need to follow here for this equation with matrices. So let's try to solve this one. Let's try to find the value of x. So what is given? Given is 2x plus y is equal to 1, 0, minus 3 and 2. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So I can take this y into your right hand side. So that will be 1, 0, minus 3, 2, minus of y, that is 3, 2, 1, 4. This is also a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now we know how to subtract, that is we need to subtract their corresponding elements. So I can write, and x is given 2 into x is given. So I can take this 2 also into a right hand side as multiplying this matrix with half. And if we subtract it, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2. And multiply each and every element with half, you will find this matrix, that is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. This is also a 2 cross 2 matrix, and this is your answer, that is matrix X. So this is the value of X, that is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. So I think this type of problems are very easy to solve. Just you need to know this operation on matrices: addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, and how to multiply two matrices. So moving to the next problem. Find x and y if this equation is given 2 into a matrix plus another matrix and equal to this matrix 5, 6, 1, 8. And look at that. In this first element, in this first matrix, one of this element is x, and in the second matrix, first element is y. So from here, we need to find the value of this elements x and y. This is not a matrix, this is an element. You need to find their values. Now look at that. We know scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication we know. Then addition, we know. Then equal. How to check two matrices are equal or not. That's also I can check. We know how to check this one. So let's try to solve this one. So what is given? Given is 2 into 1, 3, 0, x. This 2 cross 2 matrix plus y, 0, 1, 2 is equal to this 2 cross 2 matrix 5, 6, 1, 8. Now just multiply with 2, the first matrix. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into x, 2x. And write down the another matrices, that is y, 0, 1, 2, and is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. Now add them. Addition is given, so add them. So we have to add their corresponding elements. So that will be 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, that is 6, 0 plus 1, that is 1, and 2x plus 2, that is 2x plus 2, is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. Now let's check if we equating their corresponding, if two matrices are equal, that means their corresponding elements should be equal. That means 6, 6, 1, 1, and this 2 plus y is equal to 5, and this 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So we got this equation, 2 plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So these two equations we can find from this equality. So from this one we can find the value of x and y. So let's check the value of x and y. So 2 plus y is given 5, so y is 3, and 2x plus 2 is given 8. That means x is equal to also 3. So this is your answer, this 2. X is also 3 and y is also 3. So this kind of problems are very easy to find the value of this element. So moving to the next problem. A matrix is given, 3 cross 3 matrix. Show that f x into f y is equal to f of x plus y. A matrix is given in this form, this 3 cross 3 matrix. You need to prove this one. So let's start with LHS. So the matrix is given f of x into f of y. This LHS is given. So what is f of x? F of x is given, that is cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, and 0, 0, 1. And what is f of y? Just put y in the place of x, cos y minus sin y 0, sin y, cos of y 0, and 0, 0, 1. So all are 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we need to multiply them, and we know how to multiply, that is row with column. So first row with first column. So cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Now first row second column, cos x sin y minus of cos x sin y minus of sin x cos y, and last one is 0. Next second row first column, sin x cos y, cos x sin y. Second row second column, cos x minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y, and 0, and this third row is given by 0, 0, 1. Now look at that, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is the formula. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is also a formula. So put the formula. So you will find cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, that is cos of x plus y, minus of, take minus common from this equation, you will find cos x sin y plus sin x cos y, that is sin of x plus y. And the second row, sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y 0, and 0, 0, 1. And I can write this value is, what is then RHS, f of x plus y. That means we need to put x plus y in the place of x. So let's put it, and let's check LHS equal to RHS or not. In the place of x, if you put x and y, it will look like that. That is cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y 0, and 0, 0, 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we proved it. These two values are equal. So let's move to the next problem. find a square minus 5a plus 6i if A is given in this 3 by 3 matrix. So 3 by 3 matrix is given. You need to find this value, a square minus 5a plus 6i. So what is a square? That means you need to multiply a into a. So let us find first what is the value of a square. So a square is given by this multiplying this matrix A with A, that is 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 into again this 3 cross 3 matrix 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. So if we multiply it, that means we have to move like row with column. So multiply them. 2 into 2, 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Next one, 2 into 0, 0 into 1 and 1 into minus 1. Next, 2 into 1, 0 into 3, 1 into 0. So in a similar manner with the second row, 2 into 2, 1 into 2, 3 into 1. Next 2 into 0, 1 into 1, 3 into minus 1. And next is 2 into 1, 1 into 3, 3 into 0. Okay, so for the third one, third row, first column, 1 into 2, minus 1 into 2, 0 into 1. Next one, 1 into 0, minus 1 into 1 and 0 into minus 1. Next one is 1 into 1, minus 1 into 3 and 0 into 0. So simplify them. You will find this matrix is given by 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2. This is also 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we can calculate 5a also and 6i also. I is what? I is the identity. I think you all remember what is I. That is, the diagonal element should be 1 and other element should be 0. So now a square minus of 5a plus 6i. Now put the value in the matrix form. So 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 5 of a. That is, multiply this a with 5. So 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into minus 1, minus 5 and 0. And if the diagonal elements are just given by like that, 1, 1, 1 and other elements are 0. So multiply this one with 6. So diagonal elements are 6. And just simplify them, add addition and subtraction. You will find the value is 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 5 4 4. So this is your answer. You need to find this value. So here is your answer. So moving to the next problem. If A is given, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix is given. You need to find the value of K where A square is equal to KA minus 2i. So firstly we need to find A square and then KA 2i and then we need to subtract it and then we need to check this equal concept. That means the corresponding elements are equal or not. And if they are equal, then from there we can easily find the value of K. So firstly find the value of A square, that is A into A, that is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 into again this matrix A, that is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. We can multiply them and we will get a 2 cross 2 matrix. So we have to move like row with column. First row, first column. 3 into 3 minus of 2 into 4. 3 into minus 2 and minus 2 into minus 2. 4 into 3 and minus 2 into 4. 4 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2, that is 2 into 2. Now simplify it, you will find this value is 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. So a square is given, ka minus 2i. So put the value of this matrix A and a square. What is a square? A square is this one, 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. K into A is this one, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Minus of 2i, I is 2 cross 2 identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So 3k minus 2 minus 2k, 4k minus 2k minus 2. So simplify this one, multiply with k here, multiply with 2 here, and then subtract. You will find this value. I don't think I have to simplification I have to show. I think that you can show the simplification. And if we check their corresponding elements equal or not, so from any of this 4 equation, just write down comparing their corresponding equation. So any of this 4 member or element, you can take any of them and you can take they are equal. Since this is given, so their corresponding elements should be equal. That is, here I am taking this minus of 2k, the second element. So minus of 2k is what? Minus 2. So from here we can write k is 1. So what is the answer? Your answer is the value of k is equal to 1. And this is your answer. So here is the full solution. Just check this out. So nextly, some homework from this operation on matrices, that is from your exercise, NCERT book 3.2 exercise. These 3 questions are given. Here you need to check these multiplications are equal or not. If we change their places, that time also they are equal or not. Now, this one you need to find, this is 0, and this one you need to prove it. And to you, my question is, at the end of this video, my question is there any matrix exist? Like if multiply them, non-zero matrix, if we multiply them, we'll get the value as a 0 matrix. This is my last question, and think about it. Next day, we will talk about this one. Thus, let's find, is there any matrix exist that they are non-zero, but when we multiply them, any 2 matrices, when we multiply them, we will get a 0 matrix. So this is my question. You need to think about it. So till then, practice. And if any problem or any doubt is there, you are free to ask. Just solve the problems from any book. You can choose any book. Just solve the problems, and more solution, I think, makes you perfect. So thank you. Keep practicing.